All right. It is a couple minutes after 7:40, so let's get started with our 22 Legacy Football Random Team 2 Hobby Box break number 1. Just like with all of our random team breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical team list. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Linda in the top spot and Chad in the bottom spot. So we will cut and paste that list next to our alphabetical team list. You'll notice, since this is our first 22 football break, that instead of having the Washington football team at the bottom, we have them as the Commanders between the Colts and the Cowboys. It's a little something different for all of our 22 breaks this year. So we'll just cut and paste our list over to the right here and sort it by everybody's name, see who has which teams. Alrighty, so Anthony's got the Giants. Chad has the Jaguars, the Patriots, and the Vikings. Fred's got the Bengals, the Broncos, the Buccaneers, the Commanders, the Cowboys, the Lions, the Panthers, and the Ravens. James has the Bills and the Cardinals. John G has the Falcons. John K has the Jets. Linda has the 49ers and the Colts. Lori has the Raiders and the Saints. Michael has the Steelers and the Titans. Richard has the Chargers and the Texans. Robert has the Browns. Ronald has the Bears, the Dolphins, the Eagles, the Packers, the Rams, and the Seahawks. And Sandy has the Chiefs. All right. So again, I'm going to cut and paste our little list over to our on-screen list. Okay, there's our team list. Give me just a second to fix something. I haven't done this yet with a football list that's 32 teams instead of 30. There we go. Everybody can see that. Excellent. Just want to make sure we can all see that before we start opening packs. Makes things a little easier, a little more entertaining. All right. Box number 1. So these are 16-pack boxes, so it'll take us a while. I think I have 35 minutes allocated to this. Might take a little longer, who knows. Should be fun, though. First look at 22 football. I'm just going to... Names are in foil, driving me crazy. We'll kind of go through these first few leisurely. Luke Kuechly Legends. I believe that's part of just the standard subset. Then we have a Garrett Wilson rookie for the Jets. And then a Tyquan Thornton rookie for the Patriots. Then we have a Blue Legends parallel card of Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. And that goes to Michael K. Give me just a second to get my sleeve situation straightened up here. There we go. And then our last card in the pack is a Phillip Rivers Time Machine insert for the Chargers. Pack number 2. Oh, looks like we've got a mini card in this pack. Zeke, Chase Claypool, Keyshawn. Then we have a legend card of Eddie George. Then we have a Carson Strong rookie for the Eagles. And then a Derek Stingley Jr. rookie for the Texans. And then look at this. We have a mini chrome, and I'm going to say prism, of DeAndre Hopkins for the Cardinals. And that goes to James. Let's see if it's serial numbered. Nope. So this is a base set parallel. Or no, it's actually just the mini insert. But it's on chrome and refractive chrome at that. Pretty crazy. And then our last card, Timeless Talents insert of Patrick Mahomes for the Chiefs. Obviously, since this is the first time we've seen this year, first box will be pretty leisurely just to get a feel for how the packs go. Jonathan Taylor, Derrick Henry, Amon Green Legends, Eli Manning Legends, and then we have a Damian Pierce rookie for the Texans and a Pierre Strong Jr. rookie for the Patriots. And then, oh, our first hit, a Jeremy Ruckert rookie autograph for the Jets. And that's actually a chromium card. And that is serial numbered 23 out of 100. And that goes to John K. Congrats on that. Nice little rookie autograph. Got that pretty early in our box. And then the last card in our pack is a Decade of Dominance insert of Terrell Davis for the Broncos. Looks like we've got another chromium card here. Aaron Donald, Christian McCaffrey, Alvin Kamara, Ricky Williams, Ed Reed, and then we have a Hassan Haskins rookie for the Titans, and then a Khalil Shaker rookie for the Bills. And then on the back, we've got a Under the Lights Cooper Kupp insert for the Rams. Again, on the chromium substrate. The prism version doesn't detail. I guess all of them are with the prism finish. Nice little insert for the Rams spot. And that goes to Ronald. Very nice. Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Michael Vick, Barry. Then we have a Drake Jackson rookie for the 49ers. Very nice. And then a George Pickens rookie for the Steelers. And then we have a Timeless Talents orange parallel of DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. And that's serial numbered 109 out of 125. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that. Very nice. And then our last card in the pack is a For the Ages insert of Alvin Kamara for the Saints. And that goes to Lori. More chrome. Mark Andrews. Mac Jones. Singletary Legends. Joe Montana. Then we have a Andrew Booth Jr. rookie for the Vikings. And then a Drake London rookie for the Falcons. And then we have a rookie autograph of Kyron Williams for the Rams. And that goes to Ronald, who is riding the hot hand this evening for sure. Kyron Williams, rookie autograph. Not serial numbered. Very nice. And then our last card in the pack is a time machine insert of Tony Dorsett for the Cowboys. So it looks like we get 2 rookies in every pack, so that's 32 in a box. It's a nice little deal. Dak, Deontay, Carson Wentz. We have Andre Bad Moon Rising, Curtis Martin, who might have possibly the nicest signature in all of professional sports. Then we have a Trey McBride rookie for the Cardinals and a Sam Howell rookie for the Commanders. Very nice. And then we have a Timeless Talents Deebo Samuel insert for the 49ers. Tannehill, Cooper Kupp, Devin Singletary, Dallas Clark, Jerome. Then we have a Jalen Tolbert rookie for the Cowboys and a Trayvon Walker rookie for the Jaguars. First pick of the draft. And then next, we have an Under the Lights insert of Nakobe Dean. Does not have a team logo on the card. I'll see who drafted him, and that's who the team he'll go to. I'll set that off to the side. I figured somewhere, even though there's the Georgia logo on the front, I would have thought somewhere on the back of a card there would be an NFL team logo, but I am wrong. Devontae Adams, Tom Brady, Anquan Bolden, Chris Carter. Then we have a John Mechie III rookie for the Texans and a Ahmad Gardner rookie for the Jets. Oh, he goes to the Eagle spot? Okay. Thanks for that, Phil. And then next we have a orange parallel rookie of Jordan Davis for the Eagles. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that. And then our last card in the pack is a Decade of Dominance, the 80s, Ronnie Lott for the 49ers. Austin Eckler, Marquise Brown, Phil Simms, John Elway. I have another mini card in this pack. I'm going to set all these down. We have a Jameson Williams rookie for the Lions. And then we have a Isaiah Likely rookie for the Ravens. And then we have a mini card of Javonte Williams for the Broncos. And that goes to Fred. Very nice. And then our last card in the pack is a For the Ages insert of Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. Yeah, the teams we root for, Phil, never do what we want, ever, and usually do the exact opposite. Adam Thielen, Myles Garrett, Najee Harris, Big John Randall, Curtis Martin, and then we have a Desmond Ridder rookie for the Falcons, and a Kyle Hamilton rookie for the Ravens. And then we have a Time Machine insert of Joe Montana for the Chiefs. Davis Mills, Leonard Fournette, Matthew Stafford, Andre Rison, Fouts, and then we have a James Cook rookie for the Bills, and a Brian Robinson Jr. rookie for the Commanders. And then we have a Chrome Parallel Treylon Burke rookie for the Titans, and that goes to Michael K. And that is their Chrome base set parallel. Very nice. Almost done with box number 1. Like I said, a lot of bells and whistles in this. Inserts, parallels, a lot of rookie cards, 2 in each pack, which is nice. Matt Judon, Randall, Peyton Manning, and then we have a George Karlaftis rookie for the Chiefs. Oh, and Kenny Pickett rookie for the Steelers. Very nice. And then we have a red base set parallel of Javonte Williams. That is serial numbered 88 out of 299 for the Broncos. And that goes to Fred, along with his mini card. And then the last card in the pack is William the Refrigerator Perry for the Ages for the Bears. C.D. Lamb, T.J. Watt, Michael Pittman Jr., Ken Houston, Shannon Sharp, and then we have a Velus Jones Jr. rookie for the Bears, and a Wandale Robinson rookie for the Giants, and then a Time Machine insert of Phil Simms also for the Giants. Next to last pack in box number 1. A.J. Brown, Derek Carr, D.J. Moore, Rondé Barber, Jim Kelly. Then we have a David Bell rookie for the Browns, and a Jeremy Ruckert rookie for the Jets to go along with the autograph card we pulled of him earlier in the box. And then our last card in the pack is a Generations insert of Justin Herbert and Dan Fouts for the Chargers. Last pack, box number 1. Taysom Hill, Micah Parsons, Joey Bosa, Steve Atwater, Bono's Football. Then we have a Kenneth Walker III rookie for the Seahawks, and a Daxon Hill rookie for the Bengals. And then we have a Isaiah Likely Chrome rookie parallel for the Ravens. And that goes to Fred. Very nice. All right, so that was box number 1. On to box number 2. I feel like I should have bought a couple more of these, but I hesitated because I thought there was going to be more football out in the next couple of weeks. And then Panini put out a revised schedule of all their stuff for the rest of the month and basically pushed everything back 4 weeks. So I think it's going to be a little while before we have any more 22 football, unfortunately. Mark Andrews, Mac again, Shannon Sharp, Amon Green, and then we have a Kobe Bryant rookie for the Seahawks, and then a Kayvon Thibodeau rookie for the Giants. And then we have a yellow parallel of Ryan Tannehill, serial numbered 101 out of 150 for the Titans. And that goes to Michael K. Congrats on that. Then the last card is a For the Ages insert of Cooper Kupp for the Rams. Dak, Deontay, Dan Fouts, Rondé, and then a Devin Lloyd rookie for the Jaguars, and a Malik Willis rookie, very nice, for the Titans. And then another Kyron Williams rookie autograph for the Rams. Got one in the last box, got one in this box. And that goes to Ronald. Congrats on that. Have a good evening, John. Thanks for joining us. It's good to see you. Then we have a time machine insert of Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Carson Wentz, Tannehill, Cooper Kupp, Eli, Dallas Clark, and then we have a Tyler Badel rookie for the Ravens, and a Kyler Gordon rookie for the Bears, and then a Timeless Talents insert of Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. So I think we've got the hang of this now. We've got a little veteran base, 3 vet base cards, 2 legends, and then generally 2 rookies. So a rookie is Tyrion Davis-Price rookie for the 49ers, and Evan Neal rookie for the Giants. And then we have a chromium Ahmad Gardner rookie for the Jets. That goes to John K. Congrats on that. Jerry Rice. Then we have a Jerome Ford rookie for the Browns and a Kyron Williams rookie to go with his 2 autographs for the Rams. And then we have a Pierre Strong Jr. rookie autograph for the Patriots. And that goes to Chad. Congrats on that, Chad. And then the last card in the pack is a Decade of Dominance insert of Brett Favre for the Packers. Deuce. And then we have a Jermaine Johnson II rookie for the Jets and a Treylon Burks rookie for the Titans, and then a Under the Lights insert of Jamar Chase for the Bengals. And that goes to Fred. Then we have a Trey McBride rookie for the Cardinals. Ooh, another Sam Howell rookie for the Commanders. And then we have a green rookie parallel of Evan Neal for the Giants. And that's serial numbered 27 out of 100. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that. And then our last card in the pack is a For the Ages insert of Wes Welker for the Patriots. Then we have a Jalen Tolbert rookie for the Cowboys, and then a Trayvon Walker rookie, first pick in the draft, for the Jaguars, and then a Time Machine Reggie Wayne insert for the Colts. Not too bad there. Phil Simms, maybe not a legend. So no way. Then we have a John McKechnie III rookie for the Texans, and then an Ahmad Gardner rookie for the Jets, and then a Generations insert of Justin Jefferson and Randy Moss for the Vikings. That would make it a fantastic autographs insert, by the way. Micah Parsons, Joey Bosa, Josh Allen, John Randall, Luke Kuechly. Then we have a Jameson Williams rookie for the Lions, and a Isaiah Likely rookie for the Ravens, and then an Under the Lights insert of Matthew Stafford for the Rams. Little Clinton Portis. Brett Favre. Then we have a Desmond Ridder rookie, another one for the Falcons, and a Kyle Hamilton rookie for the Ravens. And then we have a red parallel of Lamar Jackson, also for the Ravens, and that's serial numbered 91 of 299. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then our last card in the pack is a time machine insert of DeMarcus Ware for the Cowboys. We have a James Cook rookie for the Bills, a Brian Robinson Jr. rookie for the Commanders, and we have a mini card of Trey McBride with a terrible corner bash on it. Like, that is crazy. For the Cardinals, and that goes to James. James, I will send you a wrapper with your cards in case you want to send this back to Panini's customer service. I'm sure they can send you a replacement since that is somehow got terribly mangled in the pack out process. Let me get that. I'll put that in a pack and set that aside for you. Sorry about that. That is terrible. And then next we have a Timeless Talents insert of DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. That is the downside of mini cards. Sometimes they don't do well in the pack out process. That one looked like it had got mangled being fed into the pack, or as the pack went down the line to get sealed, maybe it happened, but that card got crushed. And that's why I hate mini cards. I've got a Isaiah Spiller rookie for the Chargers, and then a Jordan Davis rookie for the Eagles. And then we have a Chris Carter orange parallel, serial numbered 46 out of 199 for the Vikings. And that goes to Chad. Congrats on that, Chad. And then the last card in the pack is a Decade of Dominance insert of Earl Campbell for the Oilers, going, of course, to the Titans. Looks like we've got another mini card in this pack. We have a Chris Olive rookie for the Saints. Very nice. We'll set these down. Then we have a Sky Moore rookie for the Chiefs. And then we have what looks to be a pink cracked ice mini prism of Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. I'm going to assume this is serial numbered. Let's take a look and see. Whoa, how about that? 5 of 5 for the Raiders. And that goes to Lori. Congrats on that, Lori. Trying to get the serial number to show up good. It's right there with the picture. Wish they would have put it maybe like right there where it was readable. But beggars can't be choosers. Pretty cool, though. So it's like a pink cracked ice parallel. Josh Jacobs. Crazy. And then our last card in the pack is a Flipper Anderson insert for the ages for the Rams. Next to last pack in box 2. Steve Atwater. And then we have a Aiden Hutchinson rookie for the Lions. And a David Ojabo rookie for the Ravens. and then a time machine insert of John Elway for the Broncos. Last pack. And then we've got a Matt Corral rookie for the Panthers. I think we hit all the quarterbacks in this break. Danny Gray rookie for the 49ers. And then we have a Garrett Wilson under the lights with just the Ohio State logo. I should know off the top of my head which team he's on, but honestly I don't, but I'll look it up. And he'll go to whichever team obviously drafted him. Alrighty. Well, that was the last card in the break. My goodness. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 22 Legacy Football Random Team 2 Hobby Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 Prism Draft Baseball First Off the Line Random Player Box number 2. Thanks again, everybody. Get some of these cards put away.